These are the best tips to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers. You want to increase your YouTube subscribers this year? Here's your 10-step guide to make better videos and grow your audience to 1,000 fans. You need to watch this video till the end. If you're like most creators, you have a goal to boost your YouTube subscriber count. You want to get as many views as possible and turn casual viewers into forever fans. And we understand why. At the 1,000 subscriber mark, creators reap the biggest benefits of being on YouTube. They become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, which allows creators to monetize their videos with ads, plus reaching the other requirement for 1,000 hours of watch time. Makes getting into the app super easy. Step number 1. Break your 1,000 subscriber goal into small chunks. Here's a solution. Chop the figure into manageable chunks. Instead of saying you want 1,000 YouTube subscribers throughout the year, tell yourself that you want to gain 100 subscribers by March, 250 subscribers by June, 500 subscribers by August, 750 subscribers by October, 1,000 subscribers by December. Step number 2. Add a YouTube subscribe button to your videos. Here's an easy hack to gain subscribers on every upload. Either create or download a graphic that says subscribe, then go to the YouTube studio and upload it as a video watermark. When viewers watch your content, they'll hopefully click the graphic to subscribe to your channel. Here's how to add a subscribe button on YouTube videos. Number 1. Go to the YouTube studio. Number 2. Click Customization in the left navigation menu. Number 3. Select the Branding tab. Number 4. Scroll down to the Video Watermark section and upload your graphic. Number 5. Choose a display time for the graphic at end of the video, the entire video, or a custom time span. Number 6. Hit Publish in the top right corner of the page. Step number 3. Identify which videos attract the most subscribers. Here's how to navigate there. Number 1. Go to the YouTube studio. Number 2. Click Analytics in the left navigation menu. Number 3. Click View More, which is below the YouTube dashboard showing monthly views, subscribers, revenue, and watch time. Number 4. Select Subscribers by Video next to the box that reads Secondary Metric. Number 5. Analyze the list of videos you made, paying close attention to the subscriber column. Which ones are attracting the most subscribers? Write those videos down so you can make similar content. Step number 4. Place a YouTube subscribe link in video descriptions. Here's how to create a subscription link for your channel. Start with your channel's regular URL. You can grab this from the address bar. When you're on your channel's homepage, add sub_confirmation equals 1 to the end of your channel's URL. Step number 5. Do a YouTube collab to reach new viewers. Creators put a lot of work into video collaborations. They search for like-minded partners, brainstorm collab ideas, and film several videos together. But after all that work, the two creators get a priceless reward, sharing their overlapping audiences. Here's how it works. For each collab video, some viewers will haven't ever heard of Creator A, and the same will be true for Creator B. But if all goes well, a portion of those new viewers become new subscribers for both creators. Step number 6. Create these 4 types of videos people love. YouTube video ideas to get more subscribers. The challenge is finding ones that make viewers return to your channel and hit subscribe over time. We've found that for videos never go out of style on YouTube is number 1 reaction videos. Number 2 is how-to videos. Number 3 versus videos. And number 4 listicle videos. Reaction videos are highly entertaining. On YouTube, people love seeing someone react to funny or dramatic events, so those videos will always be popular. Versus videos are appealing because everyone loves heated debates. Samsung Galaxy or iPhone? Cats or dogs? LeBron James or Michael Jordan? The other video types, how-to and listicles, answer questions people never stop asking. A how-to video could be titled, How to Negotiate a $10,000 Pay Raise, while a list video might be, 30 meal plan ideas to save money. For example, step number 7. Take YouTube keywords, thumbnails, and video titles seriously. We say it all the time. YouTube keywords are the foundation of any great channel, and they're the best way to get traffic. As a new creator, adding relevant terms to your titles and video descriptions will help your content climb search results fast. For example, let's say you have a channel covering the metaverse. Your keyword research would look something like this. Browsing metaverse channels to see which keywords they're using the autocomplete function on the YouTube search bar. To see popular metaverse searches using the autocomplete function on the YouTube search bar to see popular metaverse searches. Step number 8. Promote your channel. On the YouTube Community tab, posting on the Community tab is an easy way to promote your channel. This social media network is inside of YouTube itself, and you can use it to share GIFs, polls, text posts, images, and videos. We've done many experiments showing that non-subscribers see and engage with community posts. Step number 9. Create videos that deliver on their promise. If the video doesn't meet that expectation, it means you broke the initial promise, and it's hard to gain subscribers when you keep letting viewers down. To avoid that downfall, create a value proposition for your channel. This short slogan tells viewers what you post and why they should care. A crypto class for big returns or tasty meals. For every budget, for example, with an explicit promise, you'll always make the right video and attract new subscribers. Step number 10. Never stop posting new videos. On YouTube, you're a show. If you don't post a video for a long time, it's the same as Game of Thrones, when that was a thing, withholding episodes for 2 weeks straight. Naturally, people will move on and watch something else. Thanks for watching.